Yeah, welcome to the channel today, everyone. We are in Weymouth Quayside today. Oh, well, there's a view of the harbour and somebody going out. A little boat, just there. Yeah, so that's the harbour for you, Brewers Quay. And we'll have a look down towards the town bridge in a minute. You're coming down to Weymouth this year, you've got lots to choose from pub-wise, at bars and restaurants. You got one there. Infant terrible, isn't it? There we go. The other side of Brewers Quay over there. Yeah, not too bad this quayside now because it's all car free. Well, it's not so much car free, but at least it's got the train lines up. Not a lot of cars come down here. Not that many. Yeah, it's not too bad. It's a little breezy today, but sort of views you'll get when you come around towards the harbour side and Brewers Quay on the other side. Over there. Got a boat coming up here. Well, that's sort of a yacht boat or something. Oh, look, there's the harbour master's boat there. Oh, he's just turned around. 3-point turn on the water. Right, let's have a walk down. Carry on.
Got a little bit of magic in your eyes last night. You were shooting pool, we were taking shots under the dim lights. Got a little smile that knocked me off of my seat. I started falling.
There's the Chandler's Marine Engineers there.
But I knew that I had to make a move. From the moment that I watched you walk into my life, yeah.
Oh, look, finish that. Lovely picture of the Island Eye on the wall. E-bike calf. Oh, fish and chips. Well, nice down here. Loads of people down here this way. Packed. Pubs are packed. Packed down here. Never thought it'd be this many people. Well, if it's not raining, they're going to come out. Yeah, so that's the loads of people up here today. yeah, some nice bars down on the quay if you want to come around and have a beer, some tweets. The touring around. Come on down, as I say. There's the Coastal Explorer, the rib shelter over the other side there. About £20 I think to go on there. £20. I don't think there's much going out on it today. It's all your boat rides over the other side. We'll have a little walk around there in a minute. Look at the people down there. People. Loads of people. Didn't expect that many people on the quayside, but it is a popular place. Definitely a popular place. Yeah, a few cars coming down there, but there's the actual quayside boat. And come on round next time you're down, or you're coming down for holiday. Try the quayside, you smell the fish as well, it's very nice. Very nice. Just be by the harbour. You got the Royal Oak over there, look, and the rendezvous view on the top, the rendezvous. Could never say that, man. You got the anchor on the bottom. And on the Tame Bridge we are. And there's the view from the top of the Tame Bridge of the quayside in Weymouth. And yeah, quite a few people around here today. And not too bad at all. That's the view you can see up the Harbour side. Anyway, if you like the video today, please like, subscribe, support the channel and give us a thumbs up, and I'll catch you all in the next video. And we'll stay with this to view because it's so nice. And bye for now.